There are a lot of retail investors who are only investing in stocks and real estate because they feel comfortable with their portfolio holding assets that are tried and true. Leave your comfort zone and look at what's playing out right in front of you. Over the next few decades, real estate and stocks will be devalued by 99.9+% when priced in Bitcoin. If you don't understand the technology, that's fine. Let's think of it another way. Bitcoin's market cap is $1.25 trillion right now, and stocks and real estate are worth $400 trillion. Which one do you think is more likely to double in market value? Is it more likely for Bitcoin to go to 2.5 trillioners or stocks and real estate to go to 800 trillion? In the time that Bitcoin's price doubles, we will probably see stocks and real estate rise by 5 to 10%. When Bitcoin reaches six figures, we will see FOMO at levels that we've never seen before. We will see more people selling their stocks and real estate for Bitcoin. You can also look at Bitcoin as insurance on the legacy financial system. It's the only asset that doesn't rely on trust in human beings. Bitcoin's economic schedule has been predetermined, and there are never going to be more than 21 million coins. You can buy one of these coins today for $65,000. This is less than the price of a house in most, if not all, developed countries. Rich people own hundreds or even thousands of houses. Houses can be built when there is demand. You don't think the wealthiest individuals are willing to sell one of their houses to buy 10 BTF as a hedge on their portfolio? If you don't understand this asset and you're making excuses like, this has no utility and the price doesn't matter, it's going to zero, you're being stupid and you will be left behind. You need, at the very least, a small allocation to Bitcoin to protect yourself against a collapse of the financial system. If you have zero allocation to Bitcoin, you will have a much lower net worth in Bitcoin terms within the next 10 years. Don't do this to yourself. Don't do this to your children. Don't do this to your grandchildren. The legacy financial system relies on trust to survive, and that trust is slowly fading away. Bitcoin is insurance on this trust completely disappearing. A lot of very wealthy people still have no allocation, and they will ignore this asset until it reaches much higher levels. Get ahead of the curve. You don't need to allocate 100% of your portfolio to Bitcoin. You can start very small. A 1% allocation would be perfect for most people. For example, if you have a $1 mem portfolio, you should have at least $10,000 of BTC. Over the next 30 years, if real estate is devalued by 99% in terms of Bitcoin, you can use the proceeds from your Bitcoin to buy multiple houses for your children and grandchildren. Don't be arrogant. Think about the future. Stop thinking about what worked in the past. Things change. They will always change. Be on the right side of this change. Do you really think that someone with 100 or even 1,000 plus properties won't sell a few of them to exchange them for Bitcoin in the next 10 years? Wealth is built through concentration and kept through diversification. If you have an extremely high net worth, this is your sign to diversify at least a small part of your portfolio into Bitcoin. Don't worry about the volatility. Focus on the potential benefits of self-sovereign money.